Where are your iPhone call recording hiding? Hi guys, in today's video, I will gladly show you where your iPhone call recording is hiding or is hidden on your iPhone. Unlike any other thing that is saved on the photos, call recording is not saving on your photo item, rather it's saved on notes. So go ahead and click on notes. Once you click on notes on your iPhone, maybe you are not outside, you are like this. So first thing you have to do is to come back to this back button and tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you have access to the folders. Now you can see call recording, all iCloud, notes, new folder. So tap on call recording. Once you tap on call recording, you can see that previous 7 days, previous 30 days. Now the name of the caller or receiver of that course will come up like this. You can see the name and this. So let me tap and open this. Now once tap on open this, you can tap on this button to see details of the course. Please call is now on, this call is on, all and on like that. Then you can tap on this button to play if you want to. And if you don't want to play, that doesn't matter. You can as well tap on this button to play. Tap on these three dots to have access to other important information about what you can do with this call file. You can debug, delete, attach field, line grid, and others. So now let me tap and hold for a few seconds, and as well you have option like this: replay from the beginning, rename, copy, save audio to file, share audio, and delete. So for the sake of this video guys, I want to quickly delete this. It's just for the sake of this reference. Tap on delete button. Once you've done that, then that call will be deleted from this place. So you can as well tap and delete the entire folder from that particular phone numbers. So that's all guys. If you do get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.